How to download PDF CV from Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Canva application and select the CV. Now as you can see, I've already selected the CV that I want to download. Now, so right now it's not in the PDF form. So in order to download the PDF CV from this Canva application, all I have to do is just upload the Canva application and upload the CV. Then you can see the download option over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here tap on download. Now as you tap on download, it will give you the file type on how to save this file as. So just tap on the arrow down button and select on the PDF, which is best for documents and emailing. Now if you want to print it, you can tap on PDF print as well, but since you want to just save it for our document and emailing, you're going to tap on PDF standard. Then tap on download. And there you go, you have downloaded the PDF CV from Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.